Hello, Gordon back. Now is my third day in Islamabad in Pakistan. Yesterday I had my second operation and everything was fine. I didn't have any pain. After the operation I could have rest. I didn't need any medicaments for pain or something. I had a very good sleep, and today I decided to visit a little bit around the area. I want to go to Taxila, and after I want to go to a waterfall which is very famous in this country. It would be a pity if you come here and don't visit anything, because it's a very interesting country and it's not a problem even after 2 days of surgery to go out. Just important is you need to need a hat to protect your head from the sun. This is the only thing. Otherwise you can do everything, and you see, I feel very well. Thank you.